Hey guys, this 5-minute journal for Notion tracks your health metrics, shows your daily agenda, and captures memories. The free template is in the description below. Let's take a closer look now. Okay, so this is the 5-minute journal table view. As you can see, I have one entry here. It's a sample entry. Before I get into the template itself and give you an overview, I want to go through a couple of properties here that are important. One, I talked about health tracking. I track my weight and body fat percentage every day. I used to do it through Excel, and I decided that it would just be easier to do it through Notion because I'm already journaling and I'm already doing this in the morning, so I wanted to track those two metrics. And the nice thing is with Notion, you can take properties and you can export them out as CSV files. So I could do that and take a look at my weight throughout the year. With Notion, you can roll these up, and I do roll these up into a week view and a month view, so I can track my weight and my body fat percentage and see if I'm going the right direction. And then I also have mood, so I track my mood, and I have a whole bunch of options here for my mood. And then I have what's called a short story of a moment today. I stole this from another YouTuber, and it's a really clever idea. It's basically thinking about your day in a moment and kind of just describing it as specifically as possible. And a couple of months from now, when you're reading through these, they will jog that memory back to you. And your brain, remember these things, but it just needs a little bit of a jolt. And I find that I've been doing this for a couple of months now. When I take a look back at these, remember some of these entries. So it's really cool. And then this is connected to my accountability planner that I have. So if you are interested in that, you can watch the other video I have up. And I just name my journals the day and then some sort of title. So this one, it was Seeing Family. And now let's take a look at the template itself. So this is the template, and I have a quote here, and the quote is from Kevin Kelly, and it says, "You are what you do, not what you say, not what you believe, not how you vote, but what you spend your time on." I think that's a really great quote for the start of the day. It gives me inspiration. And then I have these check marks here, and these check marks, I just make sure I do everything and fill out the property. So I put the week, I track my mood, and sometimes my mood, I don't know what my mood is in the morning, but I try to hopefully have it tracked by the end of the day. And then I do my weight and body fat percentage. And then I have something called What is Critical this week, and that is a specific task that I'm trying to accomplish that week. That's more important than everything else. It's basically essential. So I want that to be prominent, and I want to see it every single day. So for this, I have publish a blog post and reduce my Comcast bill. Those are my critical tasks, and I have really a critical one, and then the Comcast one was a kind of a secondary one. More information in my other video about my accountability planner. And then I have all my other tasks for the week. So I have these right here. So I have inbox 0. That's a task I need to perform. And then I have a couple of prompts here. Today's going to be great because, or what is today's highlight? I like that prompt. And all these prompts here, they're really things that I found from other individuals, and I took them. And I hope that when you watch this video and you're looking through these and you take the template, take what works for you and get rid of the rest. And then I have a grateful prompt. What under my control will make today better. And then sometimes I don't even want to do prompts. I just want to do free form. So it's like a free form brain dump, and I just kind of write whatever I want in the morning. And I do have a evening entry as well. Again, this is optional. You don't have to do all this stuff. Just whatever you want to accomplish and whatever you feel like. It is truly supposed to be 5 minutes. So if you take more than 5 minutes and you're procrastinating by filling out the journal, Just don't fill everything out. So short moment of the day, and then I don't track my habits in Notion. I track it in another app, but I like to see what my Q1 habits are. So I just have these, and I have these written out. I do have like a James Clear Atomic Habits template that I might post soon as well. And then I have 3 wins for the day. How could I have made today better? What did I learn? And then I have tomorrow's task, so I know exactly what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. Nothing here. And then I have a shutdown routine here. And the shutdown routine is I like putting my phone away, time blocking for tomorrow, so thinking about what's on my agenda tomorrow, getting a legal pad and pencil out, and then just reading. So for me, I don't look at my iPhone at all in the morning at all, so I'm doing this on my desktop, and then in the evening, I have my phone typically, or my iPad, and I am doing the evening on that device, and then I'm putting it away. So this is also my cue to put my phone away at night. So it's a really great bookend. It's kind of taking a couple of things I do in the morning and evening and just kind of put it into a journal. And I never did prompts before, so these prompts are really helpful as well. So that's the video. Again, if you want the template, it's below in the description. And if any comments or questions about it, feel free to leave those comments down below. Thanks for watching.